Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Neo, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications on this watch. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with the phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired, open the ZEP application on your phone. In the app, tap on the profile icon, select your AMAZFIT Neo from the list, and here we have types of alerts. As you can see, tap on more, and we can enable notifications for incoming calls, app alerts, idle alerts, incoming SMS, and gold notifications, and also alarm, but that's basically an alarm clock. Okay, so first let's tap on incoming call. Now let's enable the incoming call alerts. Here tap on got it, and as you can see, now we have this yellow message right here, the warning message that we need to allow the access to the phone permission. So let's tap on this message, allow the permission, then tap on it again. Here tap on go to settings. It's gonna redirect you to do not disturb access. Scroll down, tap on the ZEP application, tap on the switch, tap on allow, then go back to the app like this. And now we don't have any yellow messages, and we can enable or disable the notifications. You can also enable option called delay alerts by tapping on the switch. What this option does is basically it allows you to delay the alert on your watch. So if somebody calls you, you can basically get the notification, but with the delay. And you can tap on set delay rather, and you can set it to whatever you want right here. It's, I believe, to up to 30 seconds. Yes. So for example, it will vibrate 30 seconds after the first ring on your phone. Okay, let's go back. Now let's tap on app alerts. And here we can enable the alerts or notifications for the apps. So first we need to tap on this warning message, tap on OK. It will redirect us to notification access. Here tap on ZEP application, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and now we can go back to the app. And once you enable the notification access, you will be able to turn on and off the notifications. Okay. You can also enable the option to notify me only when the mobile phone screen is turned off. So basically, if your screen on the phone is turned off, you will get the notification on your watch. But if it's active like now, you won't get any notifications on your watch. If you want to enable this option, simply enable it. And now we can customize from which apps we're gonna get the notifications. To do it, simply tap on Manage Apps. And here you can uncheck and check the apps you want to get the notifications from. And once you're done, simply go back. The apps will appear right here on the list rather. And the apps on this list will be allowed to push notifications to your watch. Okay. Now let's tap on idle alert rather. And here we can enable the idle alert. So basically, if you sit for too long, it's gonna prompt you to move, to stretch or something, walk around, to basically not sit for too long in one place. And you can enable it or disable it. You can also set the time period in which it's gonna be working. So you can set it, for example, to 8 and to 10 p.m. like that. You can also enable or disable the option do not disturb. Basically, if you enable this option, it's not gonna disturb you between 12 and 14, or rather 12 and 2 p.m. Oh, let's say it like that. Okay. Next we have incoming SMS, basically messages. You can tap on it and enable the alerts for the messages. And once you're done customizing your alerts, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord because I enabled the Discord right here in the app. It's right here on the list. So I'm gonna send myself a message. should get the notification on my phone, but I didn't, so let me check the Discord. Okay, it's turned on. Let's try again. Weird. Okay. Oh, this time it worked. I don't know why it didn't work before, but as you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. So let's try that again. And we got it again, and as you can see, it's working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.